Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech Ants. So today I get the following error notification while I try to access my Pubg and it shows unknown error. Please restart your device and try again. And then I try to press retry option, but again and again it shows that same error message. So how to fix this issue? And this error is only occurs when I try to update this Pubg mobile game. So anyway, very simple method to fix this issue is just open your settings menu and then go to app section. So here it shows me all installed applications. So I try to locate that Pubg mobile app and click to open it. So here you can go to storage. So now I try to clear this Pubg mobile app data. So once you done this processes, just close all the settings window and then install this VPN application from your Google Play Store. So once the installation process is completed, just click to open it and then try to connect this VPN. So once the connection is made successfully, just minimize this application. And one more time I try to access that same Pubg mobile game. And it starts to updating. And it asks for the sign up process. So which means that now this time this app does not show any error codes and the previously occurred error message is also gone. So friends, if this trick maybe not works, just comment to me. I give the another solution. So otherwise, if it is works, just leave a one like and share. So for more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Tech Ants, and thanks for watching.